Good morning. May I request everyone to stand for a prayer to be followed by the singing of the national anthem.
Let's bow our head and feel the presence of our God. O God, Creator of heavens and universe, you are worthy of our praises. In you alone, we pray and submit ourselves, for we are nothing without you. We humbly ask your forgiveness and mercy. Therefore, we gather today with the intent of doing good and charity. Guide us to the right path. May our effort be blessed with insights, understanding, wisdom, and respect for all. May our deep faith in you give us strength to act honestly and love all others before us.
Ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas.
Kayang magiliw, dalas ng sinanalan, alam ng puso, sa titik mo'y buhay. Lupang hiniraw, kuya ka ng magiting, sa manlulupin, di ka masisingil, sa nagataktulog sa simoy at sa langit mo banggaw, ay hinatang tulakawin sa paglayang minamahal. Ang isang ng matawad mo'y tagumpay na nagtitingin, ang bituin at araw niya kailan pa may di magtitingin. Luman ang araw ng walhagit pagsinta, mo'y langit sa piling mo. Ang inigaya ng barkay magamin, ang mamatay ng dahil sa'yo.
Please be seated. The meeting will now come to order. Good afternoon, everyone. Today, we're continuing preparations for our upcoming Financial Literacy and Entrepreneurship Week. Let's begin with the roll call. Ms. Secretary.
Thank you, Madam Chair. Rexan Agot. Present. Ramaito Ashley Bautista. Present. Russell Camarillo. Present. Kurt Brino.
Present.
Diana Reed Candelaria. Present. Giselle Causing.
Present.
Lorlit Divi Colibra. Present. Jumar de Lima.
Present.
All members are present.
Joy, please read the minutes from our last meeting.
Last meeting covered preliminary planning, committee assignments, and budgeting estimates. Are there any corrections to the minutes?
Yes, you are recognized.
I move to approve the minutes as well. I second the motion.
It has been moved and seconded. All those in favor say aye.
Aye.
Opposed say nay. The motion passes. Minutes are approved. Ashley, please give the treasurer's report.
As of today, our fund total 9,200. We received 3,000 pesos in donation this week and spent 800 on printing materials for poster and invites. We still have pending requests for sponsorship from 2 local shops.
Thank you, Ashley. Any questions? Hearing none, the treasurer's report is filed for audit. Now for committee reports, Russell, report from the Promotions Committee.
We've distributed posters around campus and online. We created a social media countdown for the event and have scheduled daily posts highlighting financial tips and student-run business spotlights.
Thank you. Rose-Ann, how about the Activities Committee?
We finalized the schedule, Day 1 opening program and guest speaker on budgeting, Day 2 both fair for the students, entrepreneurs, and Day 3 financial literacy games and awarding of winners. We're still coordinating with the math department for quiz materials.
Great work. Let's move on. At our last meeting, we discussed the proposed budget for booth materials. Have we finalized the supplier and cost?
Madam Chair. We've chosen a supplier offering booths and tables for 2,500 total. They delivered the day before the event.
Yes, you are recognized.
I move that approve 2,500 pesos budget for both residents.
I second the motion.
It has been moved and seconded. Any discussions? All in favor say aye.
Aye.
Opposed say nay. Motion is approved. Any new business to bring forward? Yes, you are recognized.
I propose a video making contest where students show how financial literacy affects their family life.
That could be a great addition. We can award prizes on day 3.
I second the proposal.
Any objections or discussion?
We'll need to allocate around 500 pesos for prizes.
Noted. All those in favor of adding the video contest say aye.
Aye.
Opposed say nay. The motion passes. We'll add the contest to the program and update the budget. If there's no further business, I'll entertain a motion to adjourn.
I move to adjourn.
I second the motion.
All in favor say aye.
Aye.
Meeting is adjourned. Great work, everyone. Let's make Financial Literacy Week a success.